Mario, the rain stopped! Hooray, Mario! What are you doing? I'm playing on the swing. Please, Luigi, swing me. Okay. Don't worry, I gotta. Oh! Yeah. Mario, it's not rain anymore. It's not raining. Let's go play! Yay! I'm going to go to Milton's Island. Whee! Whee! Oh good, there's light into it. Whee! Mario, what you just... I have a great idea. Whee! I like to call this the beetle come. Luigi, why don't we splash ourselves with water? I mean, the water is sparkling and clean. Why don't we just do it? No, Mario, because it's dirty. You're just a scaredy cat. What are you going to do? I hate you, Mario. I'm gonna get revenge on on the G3. Chew. Fun chew. Woo!